What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me. So, what we're going to talk about today is Ledger has come out with a new wallet. It's a new sexy wallet, very beautiful, very amazing. And you need these wallets because companies like FTX have gone bankrupt, that you're not able to get your money out. Companies like Celsius, companies like Gemini, they're not letting you get your money out if you put your money in specific aspects inside of those companies. And it's ridiculous, right? You spent thousands of dollars or maybe even millions of dollars on these coins and you can't even get your money out. It's an absolute travesty. Okay, so let's explore this new Ledger wallet. It's called the Ledger STAX. Let's look right here. Very amazing wallet. As you can see, it's kind of expensive. I have a Ledger Nano myself that costs about $100, but this Ledger STAX is $279. Okay, now that may seem like a bad idea to pay $279, but of course, the fact that you have your own custody of your own coins, no one can steal your coins from you. You can take it with you anywhere. You can even memorize the seed phrases, but if you forget to memorize the seed phrases, you have this wallet right here for you where you can access your money anytime you want. It's absolutely amazing. As you can see, it's actually an e-ink type wallet. So the battery life lasts for thousands and thousands of hours, and you can actually recharge it anytime you want. It has a beautiful screen right here. Even though the screen is only black and white, it's e-ink, so it lasts forever and never and never. So you can see all the different coins that you can use. I'm going to go into more detail about it. It's very, very thin. It's as thin as a stacking a couple of credit cards together, and it's about the same size as a couple of credit cards. In fact, I can play a little bit right here. Just a beautiful commercial right here. Looking pretty cool, very stylish, very cool, sexy, using the covered e-ink touchscreen. I'm going to go more into it. In fact, I've even pre-ordered it myself. So it costs $279. It is expensive. I could have bought the one that's like $70, but I just wanted to, really get into the Ledger STAX. And in fact, I'm going to have a live viewing of it, a live display of it when it actually comes out, and it's going to come out in March of 2023. As you can see, it has amazing functionality: Bluetooth, USB-C, touchscreen, wireless charging. You can download NFTs. It's customizable, many different things like that. Okay, so introducing the Ledger STAX, built for clarity, trusted by millions. Ledger has never ever been hacked ever. That's the amazing thing about it. It's customizable to your fit. Everything you need to explore the Web3 confidently. Okay, your assets are 100% secured. It's a smooth, easy to integrate experience. If you ever had the Ledger Nano or the Ledger Nano X, it's kind of cumbersome to do it. You have to click these two buttons on the side randomly, and then sometimes you have to click them at the same time, and then you have to attach it to your computer, and then it has to constantly charge. It's kind of a hassle. But now with the Ledger STAX, you're going to be able to do this. It's going to be easy to see. You can touch the screen. It's very easy to navigate, and you're not going to have any problems. And on top of that, it's very secure. You can do it over Bluetooth. You can send money over Bluetooth. Now, the good thing about this is that we're not sending the seed phrase over Bluetooth. We're just sending the actual assets over Bluetooth. Okay? To unlock the cryptocurrency, send the assets to another wallet or whatever, or receive the assets over the wallet or whatever. Your secret key is never shared over Bluetooth. It's impossible to do that. Okay. Right. That's what we're supposed to believe. Okay. So it's very, very secure. It has wireless charging through Qi charging, I believe. Sleek build. It's just a couple of credit cards stacked, like I said before, and it's absolutely amazing. The finish is aluminum and plastic. Security is with this type of security with the Element chip. Very, very powerful, and they update it constantly. Every couple of months, they update it. Power is very, very strong. Stays on for several months when left unused, and a full charge. So you can stay out for several months. That's why I said it lasts for thousands and thousands of hours. Qi wireless charging. The weight right here, you can see it's 85 millimeters by 54 millimeters. It only weighs 45 grams. Very, very small, very light. Bluetooth connectivity. The OS that you need, the computer that you need, it just needs to be very, very weak. It doesn't have to be very strong at all. The display is 3.7 inches, so it's a pretty big display. It's the same size as a credit card, like I said many times. The resolution is actually pretty big. 400 by 672 pixels and 16 scales of gray. Okay, so it's actually pretty awesome to use. It comes with its own USB-C cable, many different aspects like that. Digital support. It supports 500 different types of cryptos. Absolutely amazing, including Ethereum and Polygon NFTs. Okay, so it's just one of the greatest things I've ever seen right now. Here's many of the different ledgers that's available, including the stainless steel place for you to write your seed phrase. But let's go on Twitter. Let's go on Ledger's Twitter and look at this this demo that they have right here.
So let's run the video. So this is my friend Remy, and he is going to give me some device over there, he's taking the QR code right off of it with the new Ledger Live. He's going to give me $2 worth of ETH. Yes!
Wow.
And even better, he's going to send it to me right away because I need that $2. I have to have it. Now he takes his device, goes right there, pairs with it. It's loading. Yes, Remy. Yes, Remy. He's reviewing the transaction, taps to continue, and then he holds to then sign that transaction. It's that simple, that easy on the e-ink display that you see. So that's how it all works.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's absolutely amazing. Technology is exploding like it's never been done before. Cryptocurrency is going great right now. I'm encouraging all of you guys to buy crypto, buy Ethereum, buy Hex, buy Zen, mint Zen, don't buy Zen. Buy as much crypto as you can right now. Buy cryptos that are in the top 10 right now that are not stable coins. Stack as much as you can. Me personally, I'm buying Hex. I'm buying lots of, I'm minting tons of Zen. I'm getting Polygon. I'm getting many different cryptos right now. And I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money. Watch this video up here.